tonight. Basic tune-up on the Stihl MS391. Items needed for the tune-up: service kit 1141 007 1800 T27 screwdriver. Got both of these at Runnings. A couple of long reach needle nose to get that filter out, and a hooky. It's also dealing with that fun gas filter. Your scrunch for your spark plug. Doing a little blow-in. Start by taking off this cover. There's a screw here. I lost that one. And one more right here. I just spin until they spin freely. Off comes your cover. We will start off with the spark plug. Carefully pull your boot off of there. Grab your scrunch. Loosen it up. The old one out. Doesn't look too bad. We've got our new one. I like to take a feeler gauge. In this case, 20 thousandths is the spec. That guy in there. There we go. I'm certain there is a torque specification for this, but I usually go about yay much. And spark plug. Now, air filter. You see it's got little twisties on there. A little spin. Pops right off. New one on. Push it on there nicely. Boom. Seated and ready to go. With those items in place, we put our cover back on, which always takes a bit of wiggling and swearing on my part. There we go. And also remember, you got a T27 on your scrunch. Look at that. Next we will do fuel filter. Okay, fuel filter is generally a bunch of sucking. It's down here in your fuel tank, and looking down in the gas tank there is the filter you gotta fish out. See if we can just get down there and grab it. You want to grab it and pull it out without whoop. And carefully pull this guy out. Probably should wear gloves so your hands don't stink. And get that guy worked off of there. There's the old filter and the new guy. And the hose and everything looks mostly okay, so boom, back it goes. That was our basic tune-up of my guy, the 391. This is Hank. Keep in mind that I am an amateur at best, and mostly I just cut a little bit of firewood every year and use this guy a lot. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, subscribe and such. Hey, I'm in St. Paul, Minnesota, about to have a bit of breakfast brunch with my sister. We're here at Brunson's Pub. So just had breakfast at here, and they have this awesome patio outside. It's fantastic.